Hi, welcome to my channel Thread and Needle. So as I noticed that many of you are visiting to my channel but not subscribing and also not watching the complete video. So kindly do watch it if you are really interested, and also subscribe and share to your friends also, those who are interested in this crochet work related what I'm posting. So it will be helpful. Many tricks and tips also I'm sharing related to this work also. It will be helpful for the beginners as well. So kindly subscribe. And in this video, as you already saw in the thumbnail, that one design can be worked for many things, like more options. So as you can see that this design can be worked on the sleeves part. So we'll see how it works, how it is worked. Let's start the video. So yes, I'm using the Kamal Kadai thread and also 8 number needle, that is tulip needle I'm using. Okay, in this video I'm doing for the sleeves part. If you have the plain blouse, no, then you can choose this design. Yes, it will be very pretty good looking also. Yes. Okay, start your edge towards the edge of the blouse, no, uh, sleeves part of the blouse. So pierce the needle. Okay, pierce the needle and lock it. So I'm using a Kamal Kadai thread, so it will be very easy to work also. So I'm locking twice so that it will stay there only. Then I'm working 3 chains, as you can notice here, 3. I'm working 3 chains. Okay, after this you should lock to the cloth, where it reaches, no, you lock it there. So yes, I done. Then what you do, I'm doing the double crochet. See, the gap is created, no, you can see there. In that gap you work with 5 double crochet. Double crochet, as I already explained in many videos, so do check it, kindly do check it. So yes, I am doing the double crochet, 5 double crochet I am doing. Five double crochet, I am working with 5 double crochet. Okay, see, one more, fourth double crochet I am working. Okay, where it reaches, no, you lock it there. Where it reaches you lock there. So this design looks for the first time I'm working for the sleeves. Actually it looks very good. Also a saree also I worked for the worked before only, and then later on I suggested this design for the blouse part, sleeves part I suggested. Again I'm working double crochet. So before that working the double crochet. Let me explain once again. Okay, 3 double crochet over. This is 4th one. See, it is very clearly you can see that how I'm working. So double crochets I'm working. I wanted to explain. See, yarn over the thread and pass it in the gap. Again pull. First 2 loop you pass it. Another 2 loop you can see, no, in that you pass it. So that's the double crochet. It's very simple, this design, and also it looks very good. It creates like a lace, like ready-made lace you'll get, no, ready lace, like that it creates actually. it looks good. So see, lock it here, lock it, and again work with the 3 single crochet. Work with the 3 single crochet. See here, 1, 2 and 3. So again continue doing the double crochets in that gap only you do, okay, so that the design is very near, it looks good. Actually this is second double crochet. The 3 chain we worked, no, that also is counted as a 1 double crochet. Now fourth one I am working, fourth double crochet I am working. Yes, now fifth double crochet I am working. Okay, I done. So like this double crochets are done. See how the design looks, it is pretty good. On the sleeves I am working, sleeves part of the blouse. This design you can use for creativity of your choice. Like if you have say dupatta, like grand dupatta, if you have like cotton or silk, on that also you can work, it looks good only. Again I am doing the same step I am repeating. So double crochets I am doing, 3 chain you added, no, so that also is considered as a double crochet. Now third time I am working the double crochets. See, okay, the saree was like this yellow and purple, so contrast. This is the first step I am doing, so I chose this one. Already I worked for the saree, the pic I will be sharing. So towards the end of this video you can look over the pic for the saree I have worked. Really it turned out very good, I like this one, so you also give a try. On the stitch blouse, the blouse if it looks like plain, no, then yes, you can choose this design. Okay, I done with the first step. So like this you continue the fully full round, sleeves part. See, I have already worked and how it looks. See, first step completed. So now I am starting the second step. So for the second step also I am using the same kamal kadai thread with purple color. So first part of the what we call that arch we worked, no, there you lock it there. So I'm locked, see, I'm locking there. Okay, twice you lock it, actually it will stay stiff. So purple color I'm using, since the saree was yellow and purple, like, so only I'm using this purple color. So on each each single crochet I'm working. Okay, single crochet I'm working. Okay, then yarn over the needle and the gap, no, in that gap you do 1 double crochet. 1 double crochet is done. Then again the gap is created, no, so you can observe carefully there, the gap is created, in that you work 5 double crochets. So it is same like how we worked the first step, but the thing is I'm working with the another color of thread, kamal kadai thread. So you can see here I'm working the double crochets. 5 double crochet is enough, so work with the 5 double crochet. For the beginners I suggest you can use the kamal kadai thread, so you'll get in the cone shape like the thread that is actually used for tatting. Yes, whenever you're working for the crochet part of the design, no, then yes, you can choose this one, this thread. So quickly you can complete of the design. See, I'm counting there. 5 double crochet you do, 5 double crochet. After that 5 double crochet, see, yarn over the needle. See, the gap is there, no, there you pull, and do the 1 double crochet. 1 double crochet is done. After that again gap is there. See, in that gap you can observe clearly in the video. Carefully observe the video. So see, that gap is there, no, in that gap I am working with 5 double crochets. So yes, this design is very simple, so do give a try. If you have any blouse which is not worked, okay, work is not done and very simple you have stitched, do give a try. For the sleeves part, of the blouse, yeah, you can do for the kurta, kurta sleeves also you can do. It will look good only. It depends upon your creativity. You can add this design. Yes, you can add this design. Okay, I'm working with the double crochet. See, after I'm working, no, again see there, see, like this it looks. Oh, okay. After that gap is there, no, in between that two yellow color worked, no, arch type. So there again do the double crochets. Double crochet you already understood, I think so. If you want, again I'll be explaining. Yarn over the thread, see, pass again, first loop you pass it, again in next 2 loop you pass it, that is called as the double crochet. See, again, see, watch carefully, next again 2 you pass it, that is called as a double crochet. It is very simple, you can work with this design. So first time I was worked on the blouse, I only suggested actually for my customer. So really it turned out very good. I like the way it turned out. So do give a try also. It's very simple, no tassels. So see, here is the final look. See, first step and second step I have worked with. Here is the final look. So it looks very elegant. If you have any plain blouse, so do give a try and let me know in the comment section how did you like this design. So even I will be happy that okay, you have tried at least like that. Okay, so here is the final look of this design. Really it was looking very good. I have worked for the saree also, this design. So the saree and the sleeves part I worked for both, same design I worked. So it was looking really good. So do give it a try. Definitely it looks very good only. So yes, here is the final look of the design that I worked for the saree. See, so elegant it looks. Thank you for watching.